Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel all subscriptions linked to your Cash App card at once. Managing multiple subscriptions can get confusing, especially since Cash App doesn't have a built-in feature to cancel them in bulk, but there's a simple workaround. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and select Support. Next, choose the option to start a chat with a support representative. This is where you'll request the cancellation of your subscriptions. In the message box, type a polite and clear request like this. Hi, I'd like to cancel all active subscriptions linked to my Cash App card. Please confirm once they've been removed. After sending your message, wait for a reply from Cash App support. They might ask to verify your identity or request more details before proceeding. Once your identity is confirmed, the support team can help cancel every active subscription connected to your Cash App card, saving you time and effort. And that's it. That's how you can cancel all your Cash App card subscriptions at once. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.